Do you suffer from back problems?
I do.
Are you having trouble moving furniture around the house?
I am.
If you do, this video is for you. We're here to review the Easy Moves made on TV. Let's get to it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kilowatt.
And today we have another exciting unboxing and review. We have the Easy Movers
made on TV. I love that. I wanted to get one of those made on TV products, and so I'm very excited.
Alright guys, today we have another amazing unboxing and review. This time we have the As Seen on TV's Easy Moves.
Oh my goodness. As Seen on TV is one of the most exciting things. I think we need to start looking a lot more of those products, because are you interested in those things? Let us know what you want. Let us know what the things you want us to review. We love to take a look on this stuff, and this is one of those products that we can't miss it. So let's get to the unboxing.
If you're new to the family, make sure you click the subscribe button and join us.
So hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these amazing videos, because y'all know you come to see me. Hey.
Forget about that. Let's go unbox this bad boy. So today we're going to be reviewing the As Seen on TV's Easy Moves. This is basically a do-it-yourself furniture moving system. For those of you who have back problems like myself, this is supposed to help you lift certain things and move with ease, right?
Yeah. So it's supposed to give you 15 times the strength when you're lifting items. Yeah. Okay.
You see it right there.
So it comes with a little hook.
You see the guns?
Yeah, I'm sure. You just talked about you not having a back. Baby got back. But anyways, it comes with 8 pads, so that means you can probably move, like, you know, a good couple of different furniture pieces around the house. You move them, you remove them, and then it comes with a nice little lift thing with a little arm, and you know that is supposed to be placed underneath. So let's do the unboxing. Let's see what it comes with inside. And it's actually, this table, it's pretty heavy, so we're gonna see how you move it. I mean, listen to it.
We're gonna put it to the test. Let's unbox this bad boy.
All right, let's do it. It's like, okay, so let's talk about that. Easy. It's not easy to open. So
yeah, easy move. Just make sure you guys get a knife.
Yeah.
Or any sharp, deadly objects that you can use to open it up.
Okay, I have it. I did it. I got it, you know.
I got it. He's saying after I finish. All right, let's go.
Wow. Easy moves, not easy open the box. All right, so let's look at what's inside. This is the little one thing that really caught my eye. So
it's like a little car. It's like if you drive.
It's like a jack.
Whenever you.
It's a jack.
It's a jack.
Yeah, it's a jack for your car. So you can jack the items. Yeah, here you go. Put that little hook there.
Oh, so this is, oh, nice. So it's actually even bigger. And it goes in this way.
Yeah. So the idea is you place this little groove underneath the furniture. You put it down, you add pressure, and it's supposed to be lifting 10 times your strength. Dun 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 dun.
But you know one thing I noticed, that the wheel doesn't turn, isn't it gonna be?
Well, I think that that's part of the point. I think if it moves back and forth, it could be dangerous.
So you can actually move it front and back, so if there's something that's a little longer, the wheel can be there, and I think it gives you more leverage this way. Okay, so I see what you're saying.
You now hit the nail on the head. This little wheel moves front and back, so depending on the size of the furniture, or even if you need a little bit more lifting power, this will give you that additional lifting power. I love unboxing things when it's not my house.
I gotta clean that up.
Thank you. Now you know how it feels. And here are the pads. There are 8 pads inside, and it comes with a handy instruction booklet telling you what to do and how to do it. You all know we don't read instructions, so, but we're gonna leave it right here just in case.
Yes. We don't read instructions, but that doesn't mean you guys don't have to read instructions. Yes. But actually, we will do the reading for you to kind of show you what the products are like. So, what do you think about these? They seem a little flimsy.
No, I like them. So the idea is that it has a little soft top the cushion piece. This is where the furniture goes. So the blue side is where you lay down the furniture, and then the back side, that's the plastic area. That's the part that goes either on the floor or your carpet. So this is supposed to be carpet, floor, veneer, wood, any kind of material or flooring is supposed to take it.
So now, when I use this, am I leaving it on the furniture so in case I want to move it again next time?
Yeah, so this is what the lift is for. So the lift, basically, you're gonna lift it,
slide it in, and then
put the furniture where you want, lift it again, take the slide out, because you might need it to move other items around the house.
You know what? I think we should do that to this table, so
let's get to work. Let's get up and close and personal. But first, focus on me.
Forget about this.
This is what you wanted. You came to see me. Here's the little pads. And here's, you know, here are the little pads. So this is the side that's gonna go on the floor. This is the side that's gonna go on the furniture. So we're gonna do some of the lifting. Let's get this off the tables right now. So we can do the lifting here.
All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do now is we're gonna try out putting one of the pads under. So Alex is gonna demonstrate how to use the hand truck.
All right, so as you can see, this does not reach. So this is the time that we're gonna move the wheel back because we need a little bit more leverage. This is going to allow us to lift this piece. We adjust it so that we can basically fit it to the furniture. We lift the furniture piece, lay it down, and now guess what? Look at this. It moves so smoothly. So this is also in case you don't want to scuff your floors. So, I mean, look at this.
One-handed move.
I feel like the Bionic Man. Look. All right, so here we go. Look at this. Pretty easy. Move the table, set it where you want it. I mean, this is awesome. That was a lot of heavy lifting.
Yeah, it actually worked pretty well. So what do you think? I think product is pretty good, pretty simple, and it does the job.
Yeah, it's pretty solid. I like this. This little piece was really cool because this table has a high leg. So I think that it really helped being able to move this so that it can catch up at the height of the furniture. I think the sliders are very easy, very simple. It cushions, so is it a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. So another great purchase from Bed Bath & Beyond. So it was 20 bucks that we got it for. So I think it was a good purchase. I think that if you're looking to move a lot of furniture around the house, you don't have, you know, the strength to do that, you don't want to scuff your floors, I think it's a great purchase.
Yeah, the way this slides, it allows you to just push it with ease. But I think it's a good product. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. Make sure you click the subscribe button, the like, and comment, and also
hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these awesome videos. Leave us a comment down below if you have this product. Let us know what you think. What is your rating on it? What is your experience? We want to know.
We'll see you on the next one.
Team Kilowatt!